it so sweet. You were a stunner, and then you walked away. It was a bummer, I was wishing you'd stay. I was feeling so low, so I decided to bounce. Tried to stop thinking about the love I might have found, but I couldn't get over what I just lost. Maybe I waited too long and I was paying the cost. Wanted to party, but you rode away on a Harley, and all I could say is this is gnarly. It was gnarly. Yeah, it was not gnarly. I went out that night, just me and the girls sipping margaritas, just to get you out of my world. When I saw you standing, just you and the guys looked like you were coming over to save my life, and it was so rad. But then you walked on by, and it was so sad that I started to cry. You kissed some other girl, she was beautiful, and I couldn't believe a single thing I saw. So I grabbed my friends and we left the bar, went home, put on a record, and I played my guitar. Listen to Marley, is this love that I'm feeling? Hardly. And all I could say is this is gnarly. It was gnarly. Yeah, it was gnarly. I went back to the beach the very next day, and I had no idea that it would be the best day. You got out of the water and you said hello. You told me that you noticed me so long ago. The sun was setting and you took my hand. You held me close with your toes in the sand. This is gonna be the summer that never ends. We'll have fun, I'll be your brother, and you're my darling, my one true love. Prince charming, you're all I'm thinking of. Yeah, it's gnarly. Yeah, now it's
A lazy mid-morning slumbers into afternoon. Our last day of freedom will end all too soon. A sunny down evening, a day without rain. If only tomorrow could be like today. A sleepless night dawning, heavy heads on pillows teared, aching from longing, communion sincere. You called out my weakness, I led you astray. If only tomorrow could be like today. We were living a teenage dream, though society despised our youth. That isn't the word of God, just my own truth. And only the lonely know where only the lonely go. And that's into oblivion, rewind repetition. One day I'll let the memories go. astray. If only tomorrow could be like today. A sunny down evening, a day without rain. If only tomorrow could be like today.